today and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make a kale salad. Yes, the kale is ready in my garden. I just picked one today and that's how it looks like. Fresh kale and the fresh mint and the cilantro. And we're gonna show you how to make the best kale salad ever. So first we're gonna roast some seed here. Olive oil, not much. As you see here, start getting a little brown. So that's all what we need. Just turn off. And the reason why we start with it first, because we want it to cool down before we put it on the salad. Now let's work on our kale. Now for the leaves here, I like to use the knife, or you can use your hand if you want to, like this. About 4 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups chopped leaves. That should be enough, and we're gonna chop them very small. Now let's transfer them into the bowl here. Voila, here we go. Now very important for the kale to massage it. So by massaging it, you see how they're light green now. So we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Use your hand, don't be afraid. Nice, look at the color, how start getting dark green. That's what we want. Voila, let's put it on the side. Now we're gonna make the dressing for it, and this is the most important in the kale salad, is the dressing. And let's start here. I have some peanut butter. And I have here some rice vinegar, tamari sauce, or you can use soya sauce. Some honey, garlic powder and black pepper, sesame oil, and the lime juice. Let's give it a little mix. Voila, ready to go. Now the kale, and now I'm using here the Costa mix I bought from the store, which is you can make it yourself, but I don't want to buy the whole thing just to make one salad. And it's a fine chop green cabbage and red cabbage and shredded carrot. On top the kale. Now the dressing. Nice. The dressing already smells amazing, unbelievable. Lovely. And now get to go in the bowl. Let's bring the plate here. Voila, nice. Here you go. Now me personally, I don't like a lot of dressing in the salad, so I have a little bit left over. If you need more, you can put more. Now the roasted sunflower seed and the pumpkin seed and the almond, we're gonna put on top. Now these are my favorite. I will put a little bit extra. And I have some dried cranberry here. And some mandarin on the top. Voila. Now the moment of the truth. Nice. It's unbelievable. The dressing is amazing. So this is your kale salad. It's time for it. It's the season for it. And all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.